Hello YouTube. As a proud owner of a new Insta360 X3 camera, I was a little paranoid that the lenses were going to be vulnerable. Like most folks, they stick out, they get scratched. So I did go with the plastic Insta360 lens covers. I went out this weekend on my ATV and rode around. It got quite dusty. I tried to blow it off and clean it off periodically, and of course that resulted in some light scratches on the lens. I've since polished the lens with some Mother's ceramic coating, spray coating. Flip the camera around where you can see it. Some polish and the spray coating, and you can see behind me the little bit of glare from the lights in my garage. What I want to do now is flip the lens around and show you the unpolished side. Okay, so here is the unpolished side. You can see a lot more artifacts of the scratches on the lens that I have not cleaned yet. With the scratch with the Mother's ceramic polish and coat, and the ceramic spray coating. So I'm hoping that that coating will help resist scratching in the future, and I'll be a little more careful about wiping these $20 plastic covers off. I guess the important thing is that the actual glass lens never got scratched, so I'll let you know how that works. Alright, this is after applying the Mother's ceramic polish and coating on pretty scratched up lenses for the Insta360. I think they're called the sticky lens covers. Prior video, you should see a lot of halo, a lot of distortion around the lenses. This is a 360, both lenses on at the same time. And should be able, I'll see if I can edit them side by side so you can see. But I can tell with my eye that the scratches appear to be gone, and hopefully that coating might have sealed any small scratches and protected in the future from getting scratched. We'll see. Thanks for watching.